Welcome to This is Frank. I'm Frank, and this is my channel. If you're underpaid, overworked, behind schedule, or quietly wondering how everyone else got the instruction manual, you're in the right place. This channel is for people who've said, "There has to be another way," and then immediately followed it with, "Because this way is not it." I didn't invent these ideas. I didn't discover fire. And I definitely didn't outsmart the system on the first try. I learned the hard way, broke, downsized 3 times, buried in debt, and forced to restart with humility as my new full-time job. Family helped, friends helped. But the real shift happened when I became coachable and stopped arguing with reality. This channel exists for one reason: to give you clear options, real tools, and honest perspective, so you can think better, move cleaner, and stop panicking every time money sneezes. No promises, no shortcuts, no hype disguised as hope. Just practical truth from someone who had to rebuild from zero, twice. If you're ready to take the first calm, rational step toward unscrewing your financial life, welcome.